I'm Ndina Nhlane, that's my full name, but it's easier for people just to call me Max. And I'm one of the physicians here at the Children's Hospital. My role is to take care of sick kids. I'm the oncologist. I look after cancer patients and also look after patients with blood disorders, hematological disorders. I'm from Malawi, which is a small country in Southern Africa, but I haven't been home in a while, so I guess I can say I'm from Corpus Christi now. Monday, because it gives me a feeling of starting all over again. The weather is nice and humid. How about PITSO, Principles and Practice of Pediatric Oncology? A lot of African languages and a little bit of English. Meeting new people, parents, being part of their life, and knowing that I'm making a difference in whatever they're going through.